Mapao machao shet nadi Thawai yaudrabang haksang kayana Lay mai thakta khomlin tung khul tan khari Maalim ima khudang bibham tayna hiena kapli bangshiwa
COVID-19 is the short name for the disease known as novel coronavirus disease 2019. Coronaviruses are a large group of similar viruses. Some are known to infect humans, such as SARS-CoV and MERS-CoV. The one that causes COVID-19 is called SARS-CoV-2.
अनौब कोरोना वायरस असी येंबदा यामना कुप्पी मीदगी मीदा शहरदगी शहरदा अमसुंग लेबाक अमदगी अमदा मालेमगी काचिन पुनमक्ता यामना थुना संदोई अखोय अमा हेक्तन मसी लोंगनरकपा संदोकपा अमदी नारकपा याय कोरोना वायरस नारब मी अमना निसा होनबदा वा ngangbada लोक खुबदा नत्रगा हक्ति खनबदा थादोरकपा खुदोंग थिनिंगाई ओइरबा वायरस कया यावरबा मरिकसिंग नुक्सिता अमसुंग मनाक नकपा मफमसिंगदा संदोकी खंगलुदना वायरस सिंगना अखोयगी हक्चांगदा चंकी अखोयना मदु होनजिल्ली मखोय अदु अखोयगी खंगनाव नातोन अमसुंग मित्ता चंकी अमसुंग मखोयदु अखोयगी खुत्ता पहवी मतुंगदा अखोयगी मित्ता नातोनदा नत्रगा चिंदा सोकलुई असुमना वायरसना अखोयगी हक्चांगदा चंकी अमसुंग अखोयबु नाहल्ली
The virus can infect you if it enters your mouth, nose, or lungs. Inside your body, the S protein of the virus locks to a receptor on the surface of one of your cells. This can trigger the virus to enter the cell in a couple of ways. It may cause the virus to fuse with the cell surface, then release its genes into the cell. Or the cell may pull the virus inside by enclosing it in a sac. Once inside, the virus can fuse to the sac and release its genes. Next, the genes use a structure in your cell called a ribosome to make new copies of the virus. The new viruses travel to the surface of the cell. There, they leave to infect more cells. In the meantime, viral S proteins left on the surface of the infected cell can cause it to fuse with nearby healthy cells, forming a giant cell. This may be another way for the virus to spread between cells. People may be infected with COVID-19 for 2 to 14 days before symptoms appear. The three main symptoms of COVID-19 are a fever, cough, and shortness of breath. Other symptoms may include tiredness, body aches, stuffy nose, sore throat, diarrhea and vomiting, loss of appetite, and loss of smell.
With no vaccine or drug available, prevention is better than cure has never felt more accurate. This virus passes on through saliva, mucus through coughs and sneezes, which can travel up to 3 to 5 feet. What can you do to take precautions? Plenty. Do's. Avoid close contact with those who are sick. Feeling sick? Stay at home. Cover your mouth when you cough or sneeze. Quarantine those who are sick. This is the only way to prevent others from falling ill. Regularly clean doorknobs, handles, light switches, tables and countertops with soap and water. Use a screen cleaner for your phones and laptops. Use soap, water and wash your hands for 20 seconds. When? First, after going to the loo. You'd be shocked at how many don't. Second, before eating anything. Third, after blowing your nose or coughing and sneezing. Use a sanitizer that has at least 60% alcohol. Don'ts. Avoid sharing food or drinks. Do not share face masks. If you share a bathroom with someone, regular cleaning and separate towels and hand towels are a must. Do not touch your eyes, nose, or mouth when out in public. As of now, the CDC recommends face masks only to those sick in order to prevent their infection from passing on to others. Stay safe, everyone.